Hey, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a ride into the world of electric bikes, the perfect blend of power, convenience, and eco-friendly transportation. Whether you're commuting to work, hitting the trails, or just cruising around town, these e-bikes offer impressive range, smooth rides, and cutting-edge features. Ready to find the electric bike that fits your lifestyle? Let's dive into the top picks. And as always, all product links are in the description below. Number 5. Funhang Electric Bike. Looking for an electric bike that blends power, endurance, and adaptability? The Funhang 26-inch electric bike is a top contender with its 1000 W peak motor, 50-mile range, and adjustable stem. Whether you're conquering mountain trails or cruising through city streets, this 21-speed e-bike is built to handle it all. High-performance motor for any terrain. At its core, the Funhang e-bike boasts a 500-watt motor, 1000-watt peak, pushing speeds up to 21.7 miles per hour. This extra boost helps tackle steep hills, uneven roads, and off-road trails effortlessly, perfect for thrill-seekers and daily commuters alike. Long-lasting battery and efficient charging. 48V374.4 WH removable Li-ion battery, IPX5 waterproof. 25 to 30 miles pure electric mode, 40 to 50 miles pedal assist mode, 4 to 5 hours charging time. The removable battery ensures easy charging at home or work, while the dual key lock system provides extra security. Number 4. Isinwheel M10 Electric Bike. Looking for a lightweight yet powerful electric bike that's perfect for commuting and adventure? The Isinwheel M10 offers the best of both worlds with a 500W motor, 55-plus mile range, and front fork suspension, all in a sleek, durable aluminum frame. Whether you're conquering mountain trails or navigating city streets, this e-bike is designed to deliver a smooth, efficient, and enjoyable ride. Powerful and efficient motor. Equipped with a 500W high-speed motor, the M10 reaches speeds of 20 miles per hour, ensuring a fast and effortless commute. With 7-speed gearing, you get the flexibility to adjust speed and tackle hills with ease. Go the distance. The 36V374.4 WH removable lithium-ion battery provides an impressive range. Number 3. Zdza Electric Bike. If you're looking for an electric bike that can handle any terrain with serious power, the Zdza 26-inch fat tire e-bike is built for you. With a 1500 W peak motor, dual suspension, and rugged 26-inch by 4.0-inch fat tires, this e-bike is perfect for tackling snow, sand, mountains, and city streets. Whether you're commuting or exploring the wild, this powerhouse won't disappoint. Unmatched power and performance. With a 1500 W peak motor, the Zdza reaches speeds of 28 miles per hour, effortlessly conquering 35 degrees inclines. This means no more struggling up hills, just smooth, powerful riding. The 7-speed transmission ensures adaptability, making it a great ride for both high-speed cruising and technical trails. Go the distance. Equipped with a 48V14.5 removable battery, you get up to 72 miles on pedal assist mode PAS and 40 miles on pure electric mode. Number 2. Hoverfly Urea Electric Bike. Looking for an electric bike that delivers power, comfort, and versatility? The Hoverfly Urea electric bike is an absolute game changer. Designed for adventure seekers and daily commuters alike, this 26-inch e-bike is packed with features that make riding effortless and exhilarating. Powerful performance. At the heart of the Hoverfly Urea is a 750W peak motor, propelling you to speeds of 20 miles per hour with ease. Whether you're conquering hills, cruising trails, or braving snowy streets, this motor delivers impressive torque and efficiency. Pair that with 7-speed gears, and you've got a bike that adapts to every terrain. Number 1. Jasion EB5 Electric Bike. Looking for a commuter-friendly e-bike with power, comfort, and affordability? The Jasion EB5 electric bike delivers all that and more. With a 500W peak motor, a 40-mile range, and 4 riding modes, this sleek e-bike is perfect for both urban streets and light trails. Smooth and powerful ride. The 350W motor, 500W peak, provides just the right amount of power to cruise up to 20 miles per hour with ease. Whether you're zipping through city traffic or enjoying a weekend adventure, the 7-speed gear system ensures smooth shifting across terrains. Long-lasting battery. Equipped with a 360 Wh removable battery, the EB5 offers up to 40 miles per charge. Need to recharge? The removable design makes charging convenient, whether at home, the office, or on the go. Thanks for watching. If you think this video is helpful, please like the video, and also don't forget to subscribe our channel.